it!
Look, Dad! That black suitcase is rolling out! That is our bag! I am sure this is ours. I will take it quickly.
Wow, we are finally back home from our vacation. Leo, please open the bag and give me your sister's jacket.
Okay, Mom. Unzipping it now.
Oh, no! What is this?
Wait, let me look inside. Oh my goodness! Look at this small red box.
Dad, is our bag haunted? Did someone put this mystery box in our bag? Dad, a mobile phone is ringing! Dad, don't touch it! We don't know what it is!
Shh. Everyone, be quiet. Let me answer it.
Hello?
Please help me! Don't touch the box! Don't open it! Oh my god! Look at the box!
Hurry! Someone is at our door!
Dad, please open the door slowly.
Hello? Who is it?
Where is it? Where is my black bag? Oh, thank God you did not open it.
Look, it is safe.
This is my grandmother's antique wedding ring.
Oh my goodness! Leo! Leo, you picked her bag by mistake.
My phone found the suitcase using its smart tag.
I am truly sorry. I was careless.
Here is your bag.
Thank you. You saved my big day.
I definitely learned a big lesson today.
And what is that lesson, Mr. Careless?
Always check your luggage tag before leaving. Never rush. A small mistake can cause big trouble.
See you next time. Bye-bye.